I'm Anil Kumar. Here is a question to find area of a triangle. The question is, determine area of a triangle with vertices at A minus 3, 1, B is 1, 5, and C is minus 2, 8. Now if you are given a right triangle, it is always easier to find the area. If you have a scalene triangle, then you may have to find the right bisector and the height of the altitude. All right, so that takes a lot of time. Therefore, it is worth finding out whether the given triangle is a right triangle or not. We can easily find using the slope. So we know slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we will find slope between the different lines of the triangle. Let's find first slope between A and B. Now slope between A and B using the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 will be 5 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3, right? So that gives you 4 divided by 4, and that is 1. Let's also find slope between B and C. Slope between B and C is 8 minus 5 divided by minus 2 minus 1. 8 minus 5 is 3, and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, and we get slope of minus 1. Now since these two slopes, when you multiply, you get minus 1, they are negative reciprocal, and therefore we can say that line AB is perpendicular to BC. Is that okay? So we indeed have a right triangle, correct? So what I'm trying to say here is that if you sketch this triangle, so these two lines are perpendicular, right? So I'm just approximately just drawing, right? So we are saying AB and BC are perpendicular, so B is the common point here, and we have these points as A and C, correct? So that is the kind of triangle you have where we have right angles at B, correct? So that clearly shows that area could be written as you know, half base into height, correct? So area is half base into height. We'll do the calculations on this side. So area equals to half of, we can consider AB as the base, right? So we'll take magnitude of AB times height will be BC, right? So BC will be the height for us. So that is the area. So to find the area, we need to find length AB and length BC. So let's find the length AB. So what is the length of the side AB? We'll use the formula, which is square root of, let me write down formula first here, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, correct? That's the formula. For AB, 5 x1 y1, let's take A, y x2 y2 as B. In that case, it will be 1 minus square root of 1 minus 3, that makes it plus, whole square, plus 5 minus 1 whole square, right? That is AB. So you could do square root of 4 square is 16 and 4 square is 16. So you get 32, right? So you can find square root as 4 square root 2, right? So that becomes the value here, right? Now let's find the magnitude or the length of BC. BC will be using the same formula, B to C, 8 minus 2 minus 1 square plus 8 minus 5 square root, that is minus 3 square is 9 plus 3 square is again 9. So square root of that will be 3 square root 2. 3 square root 2. So that is the length of BC, and therefore area will be equals to half of 4 square root 2 times 3 square root 2. So that gives us 4 times 3, 12. 2 will go, square root 2 times square root 2 is 2, so they cancel out. So the area is 12 units square, right? So that is how you can actually find area of a triangle if it is a right triangle. We'll take a few examples where the triangles are not right triangles, and we'll see what kind of method is adopted then. But as I said, it is worthwhile to check if the triangle is a right triangle or not, especially when you need to find the area. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.